This is my Mortal Kombat 11 my character rating for me. My rating for it, and I'll tell you the reason why I do it like this. Nobody in this is D rating in my opinion. C on up. My C is Devora because she was wasted. Kano, he good, but he not one of my favorites, but he good. Baraka, I like him, and plus the collector. Okay, those my C. I like it. That's just me. My B. These are the characters I like a little bit more than the characters on C. There's Sabat, Jackie Briggs, Eric Black, Cabal, and Frost. I like those. Two of them characters is new. I think Frost is new, who was in the last game, 10 and 11. Just me. If I'm wrong, just put it down below. And my A characters is Trident, Centurion, Jax, Shao Kahn, Kodokan, Jade, Sonya, Jiris, and Cassie Cage. Those my A ratings because those some of the ones I like, favorites. And my S tiers. I like Liu Kang, Sub-Zero, Katana, Kyle. Wait a minute now. Wait a minute. I gotta change this to B. Yep. Right there. B. Low rating. Johnny Cage. Scorpion and Shang Tsung. Those my S tiers. And Scarlet is my B tier. Those is my ratings. Y'all can put y'all own rating down below. Who would y'all put below, above? It's up to you. But for me, this is my rating right here. I see this is the Mortal Kombat 11 one on YouTube. I'll see y'all later. See y'all later. Have a nice day. Be positive and be safe.